Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Naveen. Today I'll be teaching you one of the intraday strategy where you can trade Nifty and Bank Nifty without using any indicators. This strategy is based on a market structure. Okay, the structure formed on the basis of 30 minutes time frame. So whenever the market is giving a breakout from the 30 minutes time frame, there is a high probability of a reversal from the exact point or a continuous trend from the same direction. Okay, let's mark the high and low of the first 30 minutes candle. So this is the high and this is the low of the first 30 minutes candle. Okay, that is of 4th August. This is the 30 minutes time frame and this is the 30 minutes candle. We have marked the high and the low of the first 30 minutes candle. So next step is we are going to see which candle has given a breakout. Okay, whether the high of the first 30 minutes candle has broke or whether the low of the first 30 minutes candle has broke. You guys can see the low of the first 30 minutes candle has broke. Okay, we are going to mark the low of the first we are going to mark the low of the breakout candle also. If the high was broke, we would have marked this high. Okay, in this case the low was broke, so we are going to mark the low of the breakout candle. If the high was broke, we would have marked the high of the breakout candle. So first breakout was happened lower side, so we are going to mark the low. It's nothing but higher high and lower low. Okay, marking higher high and higher low. So we are going to delete first 30 minutes high and low. Okay, this is not needed for us. And now we are going to create a range over here. So the range is nothing but plus or minus 50 points from the breakout. I mean from this horizontal line. Okay, from this low. Okay, that is 44521 minus 50 points. 44471, right? Let me draw it. Draw horizontal line. 44471. Okay. And from here 50 points high, that is 44571. Okay, this is a range we have created now. Okay, we are going to delete this middle of horizontal line, that is this candle's low, that is also not needed for us. Okay, we are going to delete that. And this was the candle which gave the breakout, and our entry starts from the next candle. Okay, so whether this candle has first given the breakout, our entry would have started from this candle. Okay, basically the next candle of the breakout candle, that is this. Okay, I'll draw a vertical line here. Okay, so this is the setup and this is the lines to be drawn each day for the entry. So after drawing all this, I'll just change the time frame for 5 minutes. Okay, so these are the levels to be drawn each and every day. Okay, once the levels has been drawn, we are going to wait for a candle to close above this horizontal line. Okay, if the breakout has happened below, we would have waited for a candle to close below this horizontal line. Since the breakout has happened above, we are going to wait we are going to wait for a close above this horizontal line. So you can see this candle has given a close for us above this horizontal line. So if you had entered at this candle close, okay, this is somewhere around 438 points rally from the entry. So this is the entry condition, and the stop loss would be very minimal, where you are going to close your entry if the candle closes below this horizontal line. Okay, once the candle comes here and closes below this horizontal line, you are going to close your positions. Okay, and you can wait for a reversal trade. Okay, once the again the market closes below this horizontal line, then you can take a reversal trade from here. So in this case, the first entry was only successful, and we were able to capture around 450 plus points. Okay, So this is the strategy and this is the levels. I will just draw it and show you for the next day also, so that you guys will be little clear. So this is the first 30 minutes high of 3rd August, and this is the low of the first 30 minutes candle. We can see the next candle has given a breakdown and we are going to mark this low, okay, and we are going to delete first 30 minutes high and low, that is not needed for us, okay. So we are going to mark a range from here, that is 44791 plus 50 points, 44841, okay, 44741. So this candle has given a breakdown and our entry starts from the next candle, okay. I'll draw a vertical line here and remove this middle line. We should always remove the middle line, that is not needed for us. Now we will change the time frame to 5 minutes and see what has happened. Okay. So you guys can see initially we would have taken a entry here and our minimal stop loss had been hit here and we would have exited the trade, and guys can see there was a breakdown and a close below this horizontal line. If we had taken an entry over here, this is around 450 plus points fall, okay. So you can trade it by using this strategy. It's very simple guys and it is also very effective also. Let me show you for a upside entry. So that too was for put option. I'll show you for the call option upside. So how are we going to mark the levels for up? We're going to mark horizontal lines. Okay, this is for 20th July. See, once we mark the horizontal lines for first 30 minutes high and low, we are going to see which candle has given a breakout. As you guys can see, this candle has given a breakout and we are going to mark the high of the same candle. Okay, we are not going to mark low because the high was broke and we are going to mark the high. If the low has been broken, we would have marked the low. Okay, I'll remove first 30 minutes candle high and low. It's not needed. And now we are going to create a 50 points range here. So 45813 plus 50. 45863. Okay, we have marked all the levels here. Now this candle has given a breakout and our entry starts from the next candle, right? This candle high was taken by this candle and our entry starts from the next candle, and now we are going to remove the middle line, that is not needed for us, and this is 23rd. Okay, I'll change the time frame for 5 minutes. Let's go to 20, not 23rd, 20, sorry. Okay, see this is the levels where we are drawn. Uh, so until this time the entry is not triggered. Okay, once the I mean the horizontal line, only from here the our entry is valid. See, the candle has gone below but it has not closed below this horizontal line, so this entry is not valid. Once the candle has given a close above this horizontal line, we would have gone for a entry, and this is around 300 points upside rally. Okay, so this is how you can mark the levels each and every day, guys. You can mark the levels and wait for first 30 minutes, and you can mark the high and low of the first 30 minutes and you can take a trade. Let me show you another day also for a up entry, and later on we shall go for Nifty. So this is the high and this is the low. You guys can see the low has been broken, and we'll mark the low of the breakout candle also, and I'll delete this high and low, this is not needed, and now we are going to create a range, that is You guys can see the low is here 43694 plus 50 points. That is 43744. Okay. 644. So we have created it. So this is the candle which has given a breakout, and our entry starts from the next candle, so that I'll draw a vertical line to be more clear, and I'll delete the central line. Now let's change the time frame for 5 minutes and see what has happened. I just forgot to see the date. Which date? Uh, just a minute. Let's see which date was it. It is 27th June. Okay, 27th. Yeah, here we got it. So you would have taken a entry here after a candle closing above this line, and this is also a pretty 70 points move. At least you guys would have traded the entry for cost to cost, and once the candle closed below this, you would have come out of the trade in cost to cost, that is without any loss, and you could have gone for a second entry where you have got around 430 plus points in this rally. Okay, guys. So this is the structure which I have observed. Basically, whenever the 30 minutes candle high or low is broke, I see that there is a high probability of a reversal from the exact point or a continuous rally on the same direction. So let me quickly explain Nifty, how to draw a Nifty. Okay. So let's take, okay, this is very neck to neck, but also okay, let's consider this. Let me see, high 19536. This is 19537. So this is a very 1 point breakout, but also you can see of 1 point also there is, it has given exactly reversal from the same point. Okay, we shall ignore that. We shall mark this high and low. This is the high, and this is the low, and this was the candles. This is the candle which has given a breakout, and this is the low of this breakout candle. And I'll delete this high and low, that is not needed. So in Nifty, it's only 20 points, guys. In Bank Nifty, it is 50 points. Uh, Make sure you mark only 20 points range in Nifty. Okay, that is 19608 minus 20. 19588. 19588. Okay, plus 40 would be 1968. So this is the candle given the breakout, and our entry starts from the very next candle. We have to wait until this 30 minutes time frame is completed. Okay, we have to just wait until this 30 minutes is complete, and we are going to trade from the next candle only. Make sure that you wait until the close of the breakout candle. Okay, and now we will go shift the time frame for 5 minutes and see what has happened. Yeah, so you guys can see once the candle has given a breakdown, we have got a very good entry, and it is almost 150 points downfall. Okay, so let me delete this and show one more example in Nifty for up entry. Okay, so this is the date which I have got randomly now. Let me mark high and low of the first 30 minutes candle. And this candle has given a breakout of first 30 minutes candle. Let me mark the eye of this candle and let me delete this. This is not necessary for us. We shall create a range from here. That is 19,632 plus 20 points. 19,652. Okay. And again, we are going to see what is the range below 19,612. So this is the candle gave breakout and our entry starts from the next candle. So I am drawing a vertical line here. Let me remove this middle line. This is not needed for us now. So this is on 17th. Let me change the time frame for 5 minutes and see what has happened on 17th. Just a minute. It's July 17th, right? July 17th. Yeah, it is here. So guys, you can see Uh, here you would have taken a entry and it would have taken a minimum stop loss, and again you could have waited for a upside entry. Once the breakout has happened, you could have gained around 67 points, that is somewhere around 70 points. So this is how the strategy works for Nifty. So as per my conclusion, instead of focusing on Nifty, you guys can focus on Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, it is giving a very good result in the same strategy. Even Nifty is also good, but make sure you guys take a minimal risk and at least backtest it for a week or a month, and then you use the strategy. And guys, let me know how the strategy is working for you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll leave a description for my Telegram channel in the I'll comment section. So this is my Telegram channel. As you guys can see, it is CN Automated Algo Trading. I'll just give the link for the Telegram channel in the description box. And also, please comment how did you feel about the strategy. Please backtest it and let me know, guys. Thank you.